every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Tropa ng ating mga kailangan na gamit para sa ating DIY subwoofer. Ito po mga katropa. So habang magkakabit tayo mga katropa ng ating wire sa terminal ng ating DIY subwoofer, so hinihiling ko pa nga muna mga katropa na pakisuportahan po ang YouTube channel ng aking kapatid na Pogi. Ang kanyang YouTube channel mga katropa ay PH Miniboat and Fishing mga katropa. So mapapanood nyo ito mga katropa tungkol sa paggawa ng mini DIY miniboat at fishing din po mga katropa. So maraming salamat po mga katropa sa mga susuporta sa aking kapatid sa kanyang YouTube channel. So shout out sa inyong lahat mga katropa.
Bluetooth mode.
So ito na po mga katropa, susubukan na po natin ang ating DIY subwoofer. Let's go!
FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
What you know about rolling down in What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can
thought I meant to freeze when these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. I you know about rolling down in the deep. When your brain goes numb, you can call that meant to freeze when these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say, God, I'm cool. That's right. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in G-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow rain was I'm falling down. See that pain was all around, see my mode was kinda loud. Didn't know which way to turn, so it was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up before my surge, I'ma kill everything like this bird. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it, everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. This shit in the frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seem deflate, let me elevate this in the brain. Have you looking on the plane? Oh, dance together, God, let me pray. I've been going right around, call it relay. Come on, swimming in the pool, can't you go on? When I piece of this, a piece of my piece of sound. Can you please read between the lines? I'm trying to break focus on. They say that I'm so fun, you could never match my fun. Please do not waste my time.
What you know about rolling down in the
So salamat mga katropa sa panonood ng ating YouTube video. Mabuhay tayong lahat.